I'm trying to get in case. Weird if you see this. Skim me, please. Skim case.
Pero syempre nami-miss ko sila. Tumila-enjoyin ko na to.
Unfortunately, na Sora. Hey, Sora. BNT mo sa tagon kare and chip. One v one. Let's go one a
What about you? Yung makakapag-grocery kami na ayos. Para at least may bangon yung mga housemates na makakaalis sila ng bahay kahit saglit. So parang grocery store talaga. For yung budget, kay kuya or sa housemate?
Partida. Habang kami kita-kitam.
Sa budget na lang. Uy, pero sobrang hirap yun. Lalo na yung ulam mo toyo.
Uy, against a high level. This is Mellow. Later on, I'm going to use knife. One that is a chip. Oh, sitting on the crane. Partida. What are you doing? I guess. Yeah, I'm going to sniper. And guys, I'm going to 4-0 and I'm going to use. I seriously number, where are you? Okay. Yeah, let me use knife because it's good luck. Huh? Yeah, wait. Alam, nagre-record ako kasi may YouTube channel na ako eh. Naging YouTuber po ako. So, if this is my username, if you wanna add me, 11 Mike 607, just as usual, bro. In my main, do not add it because it attack.
Medyo pasilip-silip lang ata yung
El nate echaliso binubela wait, it's wrong. Ano siya? Oh! Oh, he's done. I'm going to use the knife. Get what you need to use. Oh, my 18th birthday, we got you. Oh, I'm such a Martida. Parang
enjoy ate yung magiging journey ko after PBB. Yung career ko, yung craft ko, mas gusto ko siya ma-enjoy. Ang galing mo ang endorsement. Oh,
Partida.
ang galing mo kaya maya. Uy, sa kata, magaling ka rin. Galing ni Carla. Ano yung hugot niyo? Kasi yung biggest free ride. Hindi ba na siya tumutulog? Ano yung sa inyo? Share niyo naman! Yung mangyayari sa imagine kung paano kayo pag nangyari yung sa akin. So, yung kasunod. So, imagine ko yung sarili ko na nandun ako sa sitwasyon na yun. Thank you, sir. Alam ko na, next time we went. Pero, ikaw, ano yung iniisip mo? On the scene na parang, kailangan mo kuya kala. So I just really try to make this good. Because I try to be I really try to be my character. Pag nag-set na. I'm not just a little more. Ako na yung character. So kung ano yung sinasabi ng script, wala ko din naman. Diba? Very talented yung dalaw ko. Naka-encounter mo ba kayo? Parang wala naman. Yung friend ko din kasi ate mga pinsan ko. Kaya close talaga kami. So parang family talaga. Hindi ko alam baka ngayon. Wow! Ako na-experience ko ng mga backstabbing. Wala din na lang. They really love you and if they really treasure you. Hindi ka nila gagawin. Sometimes also jealousy. Diba? They're not really proud of your friends, mga narating nyo. That's not a true friend. Or true friend. I don't deal with it. Bedma. Ito rin ate, after ng midnight, hindi ako nag-phone agad. Tapos nila mami kinuwentuhan lang nila ako mga possible. Gabi? Yes, ate. Nag-phone.
No, we live. That is okay.
Yung work ko tsaka yung
This
mind ko
is
ng positive